Alright, so now let's walk through the process of upgrading our membership to a premium membership. Now we've already talked about the upgrade process, what comes with the premium membership upgrade, right? We're already aware of that. But there's one thing I missed that I forgot to tell you about. Now earlier in one of the previous videos, I told you that you have to, when you register your account for the first time, okay, you're going to be redirected to the community membership homepage, right? And I mentioned that you need to make sure that you check your email. If I didn't, I'm going to redo that because I didn't follow up on that. Basically, what that means is, let's say you register your account, you're automatically logged in, right? You have to physically go to your email and look for and click the activation email. Here's an example of what I'm talking about for the account that I just created. This is the this link here validates the account in the system, in the platform. If you don't validate this account, when you go and try to upgrade to a premium membership, regardless of what type of membership, you're going to get an error that tells you that that account is not valid because it has not been activated in the system. Okay, you have to do that. If you don't do that, you're going to have problems. Either way, if you do, you can always just create a ticket and we can figure out how to get that resolved for you. But you you have to do that. And so when you click that link, what that's going to do, it's going to bring up the same window, right? But it's just going to be a verified version. So at this point, your account should be recognized in the system. The email address for this account should be recognized in the system. Okay. Now you can then close these two out, and you're ready to proceed with the upgrade process. Now, the one thing to keep in mind also is to make sure when you looking at this email, this verification email, that you check for tips. Read this all the way through, because what I'm likely to do is add links containing information for you to view, right? Like in this email here, you're able to click here to download the welcome kit. Here's a video that's going to walk you through the next step process as well, right? And everything that we've already discussed is in here to kind of prepare you mentally for what to expect once you start maneuvering through the system. Okay. Now, at the bottom, as you scroll down, you're going to continue to find information, about the memberships, registration. Here's a registration mind map that's going to take you through the process of where you are, right, in regards to getting your account. Now, this information right here is also important because here's the member number that's assigned to your account. Every account has a member number assigned to it. And what I'm working towards is going to be you being able to use that member number to get discounts, right? It ties in with your membership card, and then you'll have that ability to say, well, yeah, this is my membership number, maybe scan it, a QR code or something like that. I'm still working towards that. But you just need to be made aware that this is inside of this email that you're going to receive. All right. So now let's go ahead and walk through the process. The first thing we need to do, once we make sure that we've updated our profile, we've downloaded our welcome kit, right? Now we're ready to choose our membership. Okay. Once we come down to the membership membership mind map, we're going to see, okay, right now we're going to select the membership. We're going to go ahead and select the Community Plus membership. All right. So we'll go here, click to upgrade, and the registration form is going to come up for the membership. All right. So here's a few things starting from the top. We know we're going to be selecting the Community Plus membership level. This is basically for, notification for the special that we have. These are this information here pertains to the access that you're going to be granted once you upgrade, right? This is the price at $31, $6 a month. And then here is where you would click to enter a discount code if you were given one. It tells you that it confirms the membership name that you're logged in. Now, here you're supposed to create what ultimately is going to be your website. But see, the problem right here, this is kind of an issue I haven't been able to work around yet. You haven't paid anything. So what's supposed to happen is this is supposed to be where you enter the name that's going to be for your website, right? Well, you're going to end up doing it twice. Now, what I'm going to suggest that you do is you add like a little demo name, right? Because there have been instances where if you put in the actual name that you want, and then when you go to, after you pay and you sign up, and you try to enter that same name, it won't be available because you've already used it. But you still have to enter that second, you have to enter the second time. I'm trying to fix that, so bear with me on that. So my suggestion is going to be that you enter like a demo on the end of your name, right? Now, like I said, just put in demo, right? And then right here, it doesn't matter. You can put the actual name here. And you'll be okay. It's just that site name is where there's a little conflict as of right now. All right. And then what you want to do is you want to come down here, select your payment method, whether it be a credit card, whether it be with PayPal, and then fill out the form. Okay. 1 second. Okay. When you have the form complete, just go ahead and click submit and check out. Okay. Once you complete the payment and you upgrade it to the account, you're going to be dropped on the membership confirmation page. It's going to let you know that your Community Plus membership is now active. All right. And then so what you'll need to do again, just follow through, read through. All right. Read through the instructions just in case there's some next steps, in which there are, right? This here is where you can also download your T.A.V starter kit. These are the files that are inside of your starter kit. You have a usage guide. Like I said, these are your toolkit files: a blogging toolkit, email marketing toolkit, webinar, sample content, ebooks, stockbook images, yada yada yada. Okay. In addition, I also give you a marketing kit. Okay, you have instructions, you have steps. Okay, these are the same steps that are gonna you're gonna see when you go to your home page here in a second. And then there's a marketing kit bonus as well, and that's totaling 3 gigs. So you need to keep that in mind. So you need to be on a desktop computer or a laptop so that you can download all of this content. That's 3 gigs by itself. I'm telling you, there is a lot of content I'm giving you. There is a lot. Okay. As you continue down the steps, you're going to be notified about the ticket system. All right. And advertising membership option. What are custom domains? Right. Here's a recommendation on the video content scheduler plugin, including a link to go and purchase it. I haven't recommended any products yet, but I will. Here going to use support products, general coaching, general marketing, website configuration, compliance. And there goes some reseller products for you to consider. And here's your invoice number at the bottom again. Okay. So now if you go back home and you, if you click to go home, oh, no. Notice here is your membership profile menu. This menu is going to let you know, it's going to provide you with links to areas that you have access. And if you click here, this is the new Community Plus membership homepage. Here's the community membership homepage. So you got access to the free community membership and the Community Plus. So let's click that one. Matter of fact, let's click that one. Okay, so now we come back to our new Community Plus membership homepage. All right, so now notice one thing here: the membership badge changes. Both of your membership levels have been added to your membership card, and in addition, you now have badges. Okay, for both your memberships. You have a community badge and then you have a Community Plus badge. And if you was to upgrade to an advertised membership, you'll see a 3rd badge. And if you become a sponsor, you'll see a 4th badge. That's how that's going to work. Same thing. You'll see the same information in regards to the products and the apparel and the business directory and the latest products. Everything just looks different. I'll clean that up. And then here, again, Here's a link to your community page, and you've got community access. Now here's where things get different. When you come to your community membership page, right here, you have a different set of instructions. Okay, these instructions are going to focus on getting you ready to that's community membership upgrade walkthrough, which you've already done. You come down here, you've got the community membership mind map. Okay, you've already now you're ready to come down to the starter kit. There's a separate video for the starter kit, including the mind map, that's going to walk you through everything you need to do. Now, one key point about the starter kit is that it contains instructions for the file hierarchy that we created earlier. So you can disregard that. What happened is that the welcome kit came after I had created the starter kit. When I first set this up, I had the starter kit, and then later on I decided to go back and provide a kit for the free members. I wasn't going to do that at first. So that's why you're going to see that one duplicated effort. It's not meant to confuse you. You can ignore it. But what you're going to end up doing now is you're going to download the starter kit, and you're going to, take that folder and place those folders and place it inside of the folders that you created earlier. If you did that. Now, once you download your starter kit, right? Now you're going to have a website prep. Okay, the website prep. These are the steps that you need to take before you start to go and build your website. Notice I haven't gotten to that yet, right? Before you even consider, don't even worry about the website right now. Okay, what I need you to do is to get the process of, you need to complete this website prep, and that website prep is going to actually walk you through everything that you need to do in regards to downloading the starter kit, and then updating the website membership spreadsheet. I'm sorry, the website management spreadsheet and the project management spreadsheet. Okay, and then after that, you'll have the actual website configuration. Okay, and that's where you have a different mind map, because there's going to be some different steps. But again, don't forget, you're still downloading your starter kit, and then you've got a checklist. So you've got written instructions in addition to the video. Okay, now the other thing that's different is the community, where you may see more options for you, right? You're going to see a few more options. The business directory, there's a members directory. You have access to all the websites that are going to be that have been created on the community so forth, so you can go and view the websites. Portfolio wiki projects, that's new. Okay, and here, projects. This is your project's dashboard. When you create a new project, this is when you come to create a project and create wiki articles and create posts. So like I was saying, you have the ability to create posts. You can come here, select the category. Most posts 9 times out of 10 are going to be videos. So you just want to paste your video link, and boom, you're good to go. This is where you come to create new crowdfunding campaigns, right? You can track your crowdfunding campaigns. And last but not least, you're already familiar with the shop, right? But here's the support. Okay, and again, let's see if we have time to go to that one. Let me see what else. Go back to projects. Make sure I didn't miss anything. News posts, wiki articles. Right. Let's see. And there's your ticket system. So basically, what you'll be able to do, I have video or links to the tutorials in the T.A.V, but you come here, create a new ticket, fill out that ticket, and this ticket will kick off the process of you getting support whenever you run into any issues. All right, that's a lot, and so I may end up creating another video on the project by itself. All right.